Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform software set for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone. We can check if you go to the settings and Bluetooth. So if you have iOS near to your earbuds, you will see information not connected. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices or Media Devices to Save Devices, but it also depends, because on Android phones we have, let's say on Realme, under the earbuds we have information in use when it's connected and no information when it's disconnected. So maybe you need to check, maybe you have another path to check it. Now, after that, you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. Now, we have connection. Sometimes it happened with the earbuds that you don't want to reconnect automatically, so try to tap on them at the device list. And with this method, you can fix a lot of small and sometimes big troubles with your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!